How to add Klaviyo to WordPress. Hi guys, today in this video we're going to talk about this platform called WordPress and then the platform we are going to be using called Zapier. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to this website over here called Zapier, and you're simply going to create your account over here, and then after creating your account you would be seeing this dashboard over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to type in this search bar for connect this app and type in Klaviyo, and we're going to select this option over here. Then the next one, we're going to add the website WordPress, and we're going to select this option. Select that, and then over here we can select a trigger, for example a new event. And then when a new event happens in Klaviyo, we could choose what WordPress would do. For example, update the post, just like that. And you can simply click on try it, and we would be redirected over here where we can input more information. The first thing you would need to do is you would need to connect your Klaviyo account, and then after connecting your Klaviyo account, you could press on this option over here. And for the WordPress, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to have to connect your WordPress, and after signing in both of your account, you would be able to make them interact together. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.